Hey guys, I think I'm gonna make this video. I don't really know. I am cleaning my life out for spring. It's currently, my hair. It is Saturday, March 30th, and I was going to, so here's my plan for this video. I was going to make a April reset video because I love watching people's monthly resets, and I am very religious about my Sunday reset routine and like my new month reset routine. I have a very specific like what I do each month to do these things to keep my life on track. But next weekend is a long weekend because it's eclipse weekend and I am in Bloomington, so it's in the path of totality, so like it's a really big deal. With long weekend, and I was like, oh my gosh, to take this long weekend, I'm gonna take a day and like clean out my entire life. Like clean out my closet, maybe move my room around because I'm kind of in a funk with my room. I kind of don't like it anymore. Like not that I don't like it anymore, but it feels kind of clunky. So maybe focus on trying to get some wall art on my walls, like figure out things, and also in the apartment, like moving things around, whatever. But that's the weekend after. So I was like, I don't want to make two videos, so we're making one big video of cleaning my life out for spring. But we're starting this with my new month reset. So it's not usually I do this on the last day of the month, but I have a ton of homework I have to do tomorrow. So I'm doing it today because I'm bored and it's Saturday and Holly's at work. I just finished getting ready. Okay. I actually put concealer under my eyes so I look like a human. Pull my hair up. We're gonna get started. I'm listening to Bookmarked, old episode, because why not? I'm doing some laundry right now. I'm just gonna clean up my room because it's kind of a wreck. And I do this like every Sunday, but Saturday, whatever. You guys are just gonna come along with me. This is like a cleaning vlog. And the next weekend I'll come back to you guys and show you like how I, it's rough in there. And I want to like go through all my clothes, take stuff to Plato's Closet, donate, Goodwill, like all that. So I'm going to clean my room and then figure my stuff out. And I have to wash my blankets. There's someone walking in front of me that lives on my floor. Let's go. I love cleaning. Cleaning is one of my biggest, I love cleaning. It makes me so happy. So there's gonna be lots of montages in this video because I don't know, I can't chat forever. So let's go. Try and clean my van. Not gonna be good. God, I can't reach it. It's like really bad. So let's get the cardboard mountain out of here. So much better. Welcome back. It's me. A week later. I need to close this door. April 6th, time for the major clean out. Oh my gosh, my lashes. I just woke up like this. I'm gonna get really real and vulnerable with you guys today. To finish out this video, at least the sun is out. You know what? The sun is out. We're redoing my room today. We're cleaning out the closet today. I'm not talking. So this is our first task because I have a system here. Well, I'm also doing laundry, but I have a system here because I know if I redo my room, like if I rearrange my room, I'm gonna be tired and then I'm not gonna want to clean out my closet. And cleaning out my closet is like the main thing I need to do today. So, actually that kind of matches. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take you guys over there and I'm gonna be vulnerable. The lighting is gonna be bad and you're gonna have to deal with it. Hi guys. These doors, they hold so much. I wish I could just take these off, but my laundry basket is gone right now. But like, just to be realistic here, this is the closet. And then here's the other side. This is like my dresser where I keep like all my dresser clothes. This is like a lot going on here. Hi Taylor. Hi random thing. Like, there's just a lot going on in there, so I am going to, I think first, I'm going to go through my clothes. I'm going to put on Bookmarked, I think, or something. I'm watching a Sarah video right now, so I'm just going to finish that, and then I'm just going to put it on a podcast and go through literally all of my clothes and figure out if I want to donate any, because I feel like I don't wear, like, anything. And I also need to, like, organize. I have clothes, like, look at under my bed. Like, I have clothes under there. Like, it's all bad. So I'm gonna do this and do a little time lapse probably, but yeah. Wish me luck. I don't know what this bin is for. It will become important after I rearrange my room. These are all clothes I have to take to Plato's closet. Don't talk about the lighting. Actually, easier solution. Okay, so, update. I finished my closet. It looks so good. I actually didn't organize any of the top of my thing, but that's fine. This was the problem. The problem child was down there. So guess what time it is? It's time to rearrange the room. Okay, that actually didn't take me, it's not even noon yet. It's not even noon, and I'm like, okay, rearrange. Okay. So, now I'm stressed. Now I'm concerned. I'm getting a little fussy. Yeah. So I'm not going to talk while I do this, but I am going to do a time lapse because I think it will be funny. I don't even know if I can move my bed on my own. This is going to be a testament of my strength. So yeah, I'm going to go do that. And I'll update you guys when I get my bed rotated. Regular time because I feel like this might be funny. I'm even turning off the video. So I already broke something. I was asking for it. I'm getting stressed. Oh my god. What if I just have it like this? Whoa. Love when my perceptions change. Girl power. I am strong. I am independent and I can, do this on my own. Maybe not. No, I can. This better be cute. Oh, this better be good. Whoa. Oh God. That was humiliating, actually, a little bit. Ah! Okay. Oh my God, guys. Eee! This is looking so much better. This was such a good idea. Oh my God. So I moved my books over here because they were over here. I moved them over here so I feel like they're more out in the open. I'm really missing my bookshelves from home, but like this is double-sided. And I'm gonna stack series up here, and then I have room to put books over here. I'm gonna make my mom bring me the rest of my Throne of Glass books. And then, yeah, I just vacuumed all my stuff, but now we have encountered a problem because this is now a very open area where I have these framing my bed. This is like so we got to figure this out. I don't know maybe I'll move my Eras poster over here into this and maybe put some other stuff around it, make like a whole thing. We're gonna have a day. I'm gonna be so tired later, I can't. So I just ordered ew, I don't like that you can see me. I just ordered 2 prints for my room on Walmart.com. Poster. They said they'll be ready to pick up after 2:44. It's almost 2 o'clock. It's like 1:45. I've been struggling to figure out frames and stuff. And I think I'm going to go to Walmart and Joann's to get frames because Joann's has the record size frames, allegedly. So I think we're going to go out and about. I am just actually really tired. Actually kind of dying a little bit, as you can see. But we are going strong, okay? I'm not getting lazy with this because this happened when I moved in. I got lazy with my decor and then I got sick of having nothing. So I have this up here right now, but I think I'll probably take it down all the time because I can't remember what I filmed literally at all. So I couldn't find a frame for this. Like, I don't know, this size doesn't really exist and I couldn't really find anything that I like. So we're gonna hold off on her for a little bit until I find something correct. But I got I'll just show one. 2 16x20 frames. I just got the really cheap basic frames because, like, I don't know, I feel like later on if I want to invest in better ones, but since I'm always like changing my aesthetic, I thought this was the best because they're just like the thin lined ones, so it's like you can't even tell there's a frame there, you know what I mean? So I got those frame prints, and then I just ended up getting one white record thing because I don't know how many of my records I actually want to put on the wall. I only know of one specifically, so I was like, that makes sense. And the ones that were a 3-pack, I actually didn't like because they were like curved. It was weird. And then, random purchase at Joann's, I bought these. They were $4. And look how cute they are. I thought they might be fun to switch up my taper candles. I feel like these are really pretty and they match like perfectly because everything in my room is pink. But next, my prints. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. To live for the hope of it all on Monet. I match it. Okay, so there's our first one. And then, how does this one turn out? Oh, this is so cute. Booked and busy. And it's a book. I wanted a bookish print, but I feel like some of them are just kind of like a lot. And so I want to find more bookish prints, but I thought this was really cute. Booked and busy. Okay, so it's almost 3 o'clock. Basically 3 o'clock. It's like 2:55. And I'm going to do this. Actually, I think I'm going to make an iced coffee and then I'm going to do this. Yeah, so I'm going to do some on this wall over here and some over there. I'm going to figure myself out. I think I might move my Eras poster somewhere else in my room to like go along with this kind of vibe we're crafting. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys when I actually like figure out what I'm doing.
I'm in love. I'm in love with this. Oh my god.
Thank you guys for watching this video. My room is done. I love it so much. Look how much room I have to run around. Like, I have so much room. I can like stretch in my room. Like, actually, it's game changer. Game changer. Yes, my wall art, it's so cute. I'm going to eventually, maybe on this wall, like kind of extend it. But I really like how it looks right now. I like that there's something up there. But slowly, I'll make changes slowly. Don't look at my, in those videos, don't look at my really overflowing trash can. I'm actually choosing to ignore that at this moment. But yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me. It was so fun, and now I have a brand new room, and I feel completely refreshed going into the last like couple weeks of the semester. This is gonna be so nice to have everything just like awesome. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.